Hey, crypto fan. Welcome to the Crypto Cave. I'm Big Cass, and let's talk crypto. What we're talking about today is how to buy crypto in New York. Well, actually, we're talking about buying crypto just about anywhere. Just New York doesn't have as many options as the rest of the country. So today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of Coinbase, Kucoin, and Gemini. Anybody watching this video outside of New York, you do have the option of using Crypto.com, Kraken, my joke is with a K, Binance US, FTX US, and several others. So let's dive in. We're going to start off talking about Gemini. But before we get started, please know I am not a financial advisor. All the information given today is for entertainment and educational purposes only. In full disclosure, I do have an account with all three of the exchanges that we're going to go over today. So this, guys, is just my personal recommendation of what I've been doing over the last 3 years. So Gemini, fill in your information, get your account open and established. And look here, guys. So by using the referral link, once you trade $100 worth of crypto, I'll receive, as well as you'll receive, $10 as a thank you. So now let's take a look at your home screen. Once your account is open, from your home screen, there's multiple ways of doing this, but I'll give you the most simple. Just click market, and from your market screen, you'll notice the first two cryptos on here. One is Bitcoin, which is the grandfather of all crypto. And the second one's Ethereum. Again, not financial advice, anything I say, but this is my recommendation. If you're just getting started, you want to go with one of these two coins, preferably Bitcoin in the beginning. From there, you just hit view details. And then from this screen, you have several options. Again, as a beginner, if you choose to do so today, you can hit buy once. You can choose one of the preset amounts or put in whatever you want. And not to go too deep into this today, this is something I will show you guys further in our journey. But if you click where it says once, you'll notice that you have daily, weekly, and monthly. We call this dollar cost averaging. This is one of the most successful ways to invest, in my opinion, in crypto stocks or whatever, is when you take a set amount. So let's say we're going to do weekly. On a weekly basis, let's say we're going to be purchasing Bitcoin. And what the advantage is there, the market's always fluctuating. So you'll have the opportunity to buy when it's high, you're going to buy when it's low, and it'll average out. If you see my previous video, you know I talked about this. Anyway, if you choose to do this today, hit continue. And guys, congratulations. It's just that simple, and welcome to the wonderful world of crypto. The next thing I want to talk about is Gemini's credit card. This is an actual credit card that pays you in crypto back. Yeah, you heard me, crypto back, not cash. You have plenty of options. I think currently at the recording of this video, you have 60 different options that you get paid back. You currently have 60 different options that you can be paid back into crypto. If you were to click this button, again, it's a world credit card. You have to fill out an application. If you're approved, every time you use this credit card, you'll be paid back in crypto. Great way if you're using credit cards and smart with them, a way to earn crypto back. And lastly, Gemini has a what we call earn feature. So not to go too deep into what the earn program is, just know that if you're leaving your crypto on the platform, which we'll talk about again in future videos about crypto wallets and the best place to keep your cryptos and how to earn passive income. But if you're here on Gemini, as you can see, I use their stable coin, and right now I'm earning 7% APY on it. So again, just notice features here, and we'll talk more about it in future videos. Now, the next platform we're going to talk about is Coinbase. If you use the link below, you'll come to a referral screen. Add your information, open up the account. Once you're all set up and log in, you'll come to your home screen. Now, the simplest way, again, to purchase your first cryptos is simply coming here where it says buy and sell. So let's say we wanted to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. I put $100. As you can see, Bitcoin is here. If I really wanted to use Ethereum or another if I wanted to buy Ethereum or any other coin, I would just simply come down here and highlight it. Right now, we're going to stay with Bitcoin, even though I'm not going to make this purchase. You'll have your banking information in here. You would hit preview purchase, and you would go through and make that purchase. And again, I love saying this, voila, welcome to the wonderful world of crypto. Another great feature about Coinbase is they have the learn to earn feature. So if you want to hear where it says more options, click learn to earn. So in the learn to earn section, based upon where you are in the country or the world, you'll have options as to what cryptos you can earn. And all you will simply do is click. There'll be a small tutorial, usually lasts about all of good 2-3 minutes at most. You answer a simple question. By the way, guys, the cheat code. You can't get the question wrong. If you answer it wrong, it'll give you another choice until you exhaust all options, and then you earn that crypto. So it's a great feature. But by far, my favorite Coinbase feature is the pay feature. If you hit pay, you'll have to sign up to get a debit card. This debit card is absolutely free. There's no annual fees. So here goes my pay card. And again, the most awesome part of this is it's a debit card. 90% plus of everybody watching this video right now uses a debit card. But my question is, are you earning crypto back? Probably not. So any purchase you make, as you can see, just today, I spent $7 at McDonald's. Not the most healthiest thing, but I did earn crypto. Grocery store, I don't know who uses Aldi's or whatnot, but Google, any and everything. We actually went to Levity Live the other day to go see Tommy Davidson. So as you can see, this is what we paid, and I earned 4% cash back, again, just for using my debit card. And why wouldn't you? If you're going there and doing these things anyway, why wouldn't you want to get free crypto back? So guys, that's my favorite thing about Coinbase. And from there, we're going to talk about the last one, which is Kucoin. So before we go, I just want to show you another option of purchasing crypto. If you hit trade, this is trading pairs. So let's say, for example, I think I have this up already, is Bitcoin. As you become more advanced, this may or may not be a better way of trading for you. But let's say I want to trade SOL, which stands for Solana and Bitcoin. And guys, I'm showing you this because some people, this may be a little intimidating or even scary for that matter. However, it's like anything else. In the beginning, because you don't know and realize what they are, but this is nothing more than what we call an order book. These we call candles. Tells you a little bit about price movement, where it's been, where it's going, well, at least where we think it may go. Nothing to be afraid of. Again, after doing this for better than 3.5 years, trust me, if you were doing this on a pretty consistent basis, you would have no problem understanding what all this is here or there, what a market execution is, what limit orders are, and believe it or not, you'll soon be, well, just don't be afraid of it. And the reason why I showed you this first is now we're about to take a look at Kucoin. So the first thing I want you to understand about Kucoin is the sign-up process. You notice it's not the same as what we went through with Gemini and Coinbase. Kucoin is considered a non-KYC. Coinbase and Gemini are KYC, which means know your customer. My personal preference is to use an email. You do have the option of using your phone number, but for whatever reason, which I do, have multiple accounts with Kucoin, most of us don't have multiple phone numbers. So again, my recommendation is to open your account using an email. I am not going to go into great detail about Kucoin. Kucoin is a great exchange, but it takes some getting used to. However, if you have experience in trading, then you'll be very familiar with most of this. So very basic. To use this account, you have to deposit funds onto the account. So you would hit deposit. You would say crypto. Now understand that you must transfer crypto from a wallet, from another exchange. So let's say you had USDT or Tether sitting on another exchange or in a crypto wallet, and you want to bring it here to Kucoin. As you can see, it's highlighted here. Again, guys, it's a little more advanced, but it's going to ask you what network are you using. So we'll say Ethereum. and it would give you this long string of numbers. And again, this is just an address. You would hit copy, you go back to Coinbase or wherever you have it and request a withdrawal, and it would ask you the address. You would take this that you copied and pasted, enter it there, or if you're using a mobile app, which I forgot to mention, all three of these exchanges have mobile apps. Instead of copy and paste, you would just scan it and the transfer would be initiated. So once you have the funds on this account, as I mentioned previously, you have to trade in pairs. Once your funds are deposited into your account, and it could take anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes up to maybe 10. You come up here to trade, hit spot. Now let's stay with the theme of buying Bitcoin. So right here, this is the pair that we're going to trade. You would have USDT as well as Bitcoin in your wallet. From here, you'd have to put in your trading password. The simplest way to purchase Bitcoin would be what we call a market execution. So you would choose market. Again, you just put in a dollar amount, would just say $100 again, and you would hit buy. But the other thing I want you to notice is, I don't know how many is going to come up from here. As I scroll down, here's all the options of coins you could purchase using Bitcoin. Now, I didn't really show this on Coinbase and Gemini, but Kucoin by far has a huge amount of coins that you can buy and trade. Again, I mentioned buying Bitcoin and Ethereum initially. There are some really what we call juicy or high or exotic or high reward, high risk coins here. I don't want to get into pricing. Some of you guys may know with Doge, if my memory serves me correctly, last year Doge pumped, in part by Elon Musk, but there's people that follow Doge for a long time. And I think they created like 1,800 millionaires, but those are very, very risky. And most people chase those coins after they pump. Because if you weren't part of that community and you seen Doge at 0.0003 and it was moving up and you keep thinking, oh, if it only makes it to $1, I'm going to be rich. So people throw hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars in there and don't realize that they're in on the tail end. So be very careful about buying exotic coins. And lastly, guys, I just want to show you some of the other features that are here on Kucoin. There's many different ways of earning on Kucoin. Some a little more riskier than what I've shown you with Coinbase and Gemini. But there are many, many options here. And again, not to go deep into them, but if you heard of futures, derivatives, leverage, things, by the way, which I said I would never do 3.5 years ago. Now let's just say I'm becoming proficient in some of these areas. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. This channel, for the most part, is for new people. And that was the objective, to show people how to get involved with crypto. Currency that I truly believe, let's just say we're ahead of the curve. Don't understand so much. Please take this journey with me, but get started today if possible. I don't care if it's $5, $2, $10, $100, whatever. Get involved, and I can almost guarantee you won't be mad at me ever. So thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next one.